Hello traders, good day, this is Ramesh here. We try to make 1000 points every week in Bank Nifty and Nifty. This week we made Come on, you're most welcome to join our live trading session from Monday to Friday. Experience the 1000 point strategy in Bank Nifty and Nifty every week during the live session. So please click on the below link and register right now and start making consistent income and to experience the live trade with us. Learning is equal to earning. See you in live session. Bye for now.